YouTube channel. I am Aaliyah, if you guys don't know, and so I also like and subscribe if you like slime, and comment down below what your favorite color is, what your favorite type of slime is, and yeah, I just made this bubble. Oh, it just popped. But yeah, so I have last night, here's a story of how I made this huge batch of slime. So last night I was watching Down in the Slime, and so I was like, now I want to make a big batch of slime. So I got out some glue, some liquid starch, which you can find in the laundry detergent aisle. I got out a bowl, some orange food coloring, and yeah. Oh, and yeah, and I just made some slime, a basic slime. Added a little bit of shaving cream, and yeah. So yeah, I'm also gonna start this like button challenge. Shout out to Justinira for doing this. Look at this big bubble. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.